Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm going to go ahead and get right to it. This is my 10-month update. I've been sister-locked for 10 months. It's been a good journey so far. I'm showing you right here in this clip some slippage that's been going on at 10 months. So you could probably still expect that. But the slippage is mainly my fault because I'm lazy. Oh my God, look at those bags. Guys, I just took a new job at a public school district teaching 4th grade, and they are giving me a run for my money. So, but back to this, it's about 3 locks that slipped out. And I know I have not been braiding and banding like I should be because yes, I'm lazy. But I'm just showing you the left side of my hair where those locks slipped out. So Maria is going to put those back in. I am due for my retie, so I'm going to show you guys a before and after in a second. I also have some slippage on the right side of my head, and as you can see, I have some breakage there, and that is because I have hands and hair syndrome. Still, at 10 months, I still have hands and hair syndrome. I need to do something about that. It is a struggle, you guys. I'm showing you just a side shot of the right side of my hair. I have some breakage up in there, if you can see, and that is on both sides in the same spot. I guess those are my stress spots, but the locks are really small right in that area. Here's the other side. I don't think you can see a really good shot of the locks that are thin, but here's a back clip or shot of my hair that I had slippage in the back of my hair, like maybe 3 locks slipped out. So I'm going to try to freeze frame it right here. 1, 2, 3 kind of slipped out, so that needs to be fixed too. And again, that is because I don't braid and band like I supposed to. And I'm going to show you one last lock that slipped out. This is ridiculous. I'm ridiculous. I need to stop. So you do see some new growth up in there, but most of that is slippage. Yeah, I'm a mess. So she has to fix that too. You see that? Man. Come on, Lena. You gotta do better. Alright, so here is the moment you guys been waiting for. I am going to show you a side-by-side of my before and after retie. So on the left is my before shot, and on the right is my after. And usually, you know, when I get my hair retied, it is a little bit longer than before because of the shrinkage. So I'm showing you in the before shot my stress spot, the spot that I like to mess with, and I also lie on that side when I'm asleep. So it's really, really thin. You can see like my ear on that side. You can kind of see it on the right side in the after retie shot. I'm going to also freeze frame the back of my hair because you can see a difference from the before and after. It's hanging a little bit lower. I like that. And let me go ahead and part my back down the middle. And on the side, the after retie side, I don't know if you guys can see that lint. I'll put an arrow right there. There's some lint buildup. So also, that's something that you guys could maybe expect during your 10-month journey. And now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair horizontally so you guys can see my grid and how it changes from the before and after. Man, that kind of irks my soul that I didn't put that lock down so my part could be straight. I guess that's my OCD. But yeah, so you can see that it is hanging lower in the after shot and all that shrinkage in the before shot. So guys, yes, please, please, please just know that you will have shrinkage along this journey. I've been loving it so far. I've been, trying to listen to my hair and, do the things that it's telling me to do, like keep my hands out my hair. So I need to listen to that. But yeah, I do see some growth from, my journeys. I looked at pictures and my hair is definitely growing. And so right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an up close shot of my scalp after the retie. And I'm trying to find that lock that slipped out on that side. So let's see if I can find it. Like, I can never find it when I'm on camera, but I think that is it. No, wait. Okay, so there it is right there. There's the lock that slipped, well, one of the locks that slipped, and she went ahead and fixed that. So it's really tiny. I need to be careful with it. I'm going to show you a shot of my grid. As we all like to say, the grid is still intact. I haven't been going through the itching or really the dryness lately, but I still do have those white bulbs in my hair, if you can see. I'm just trying to show you guys how short my lock is right there on that side. Again, that's my stress spot, so hopefully it'll start to grow in. Also, if I can learn how to leave it alone and stop picking with it, it will grow. My locks are starting to lock up in the back, so that's very exciting. And I'm going to show you some the white bulbs that are still in my hair. That's something that I'm just going to have to deal with. It doesn't really bother me too much at this point, but maybe further down the line I may color them and darken them up. But that's about it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you a close-up of my middle part. I appreciate all you guys for joining me on this journey. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified on any new content that I upload. I really, really, really appreciate all you guys who like and comment on my channel. It really helps me out. Just giving you guys just a front and side view of my locks. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys on my 11th month update. Bye guys.